Meet Francisca, the oldest of 5 children. She was born into a ward where access to quality education is a luxury, so she spends her days at home taking care of her sister. Her story is the story of the 244 million youth out of school. Francisca is my paternal grandmother, and she is the inspiration behind STEM in a Box. My name is Maria, and I'm the founder of STEM in a Box, a didactic kit that enables youth to build robots from electronic waste, increasing access to project-based STEM education in low-income communities. Our impact stems from 2 fundamental elements. First, the distribution of didactic kits, and second, the implementation of a week-long education leadership program. Participants start by identifying challenges in their community. Workshop facilitators weave these problems into the theory, preparing participants to utilize the components and assembly instructions in the kit to build 3 different robots. The program ends in a science fair where participants showcase their prototypes and solutions to community challenges in front of leaders, family, and friends. During my 2 years at the Atlas Institute, I traveled to Colombia twice, immersing myself for 2 weeks in the lives and communities of our users. These visits uncovered the pressing need to adapt our digital assembly guides to a context of unpredictable electricity and internet connection. Thus, my Practicum challenge was to incorporate the feedback from Colombia into our assembly guides. Our priority was transitioning from digital to paper-based guides, prioritizing analog interaction. We produced mostly black and white materials using color for brain priming and color coding circuit cables. This semester, I worked closely with 2 Atlas students. Arooj and Hailey are the creative minds behind the booklet's assets and layouts. Thus, my role in the project was twofold, seeing its execution and developing the curriculum, including the theory, assembly steps, and spread organization. Our workflow was simple and iterative, including 4 phases: curriculum development, storyboarding, asset creation, and layout design. We repeated the process twice, producing 3 new booklets after 6 design consultations with industry experts. The highlight of this project was our usability testing workshop at Girls Inc. in Denver. This workshop was pivotal in how we presented circuit diagrams and guided our design choices throughout the semester. I'm excited to translate the 3 booklets into Spanish as we prepare to host our first leadership program in Trinidad, Honduras. By engaging participants in problems close to their hearts, we've ignited curiosity and passion for STEM. Our intervention prompts engagement, increases belonging, and empowers participants to leverage their skills and knowledge to address pressing challenges in their communities. So here we are, 5 years, 5 countries, 2 continents, and 450 lives later. All I have left to say is thank you. Thank you for giving me strength and teaching me how to fight for my craziest dream.